With the previous videos, we retouched the hands. We made wrinkles, modified the proportions a bit, we worked on fingers, and now in this video, we're gonna use what we learned in those 3 videos, but on feet. Okay, first, in this case, we're gonna feel a bit these borders. As you can see clearly the toes endings. Let's work on toes proportions. We should make the knuckles more evident. The idea is you'll notice this area on the feet. Remember to watch from different angles to avoid unnecessary volumes. Quickly generate some polygroups. That'll help a lot. One over here, one over here. One over here. This way will be easier to connect these toes. The toes shouldn't be so apart from each other. Although it's true that here in the base you can see some holes. These cavities, normally the toes will touch. Besides, when we went through the projection stage, we had to lightly modify the toes. So we have to recover some shape. Let's fix a bit the height on these knuckles. Let's fix these heights. Done. Now we'll begin to do the same as in the fingers. With the high subdivision we have, we're going to make these wrinkles, these marks. The only difference, in this case, is that the wrinkles on the toes are not always as defined as the ones on the fingers. Maybe because the toes don't have to fold as much, so the wrinkles are not so notorious. We're gonna do them gently. And we'll work on the nails too. As we did on fingers, we're gonna wear them down. and make some lines at its length. We already did the main wrinkles. Now, as in fingers, we'll make some thinner lines and wrinkles that look something like this. Waving, not straight lines. We'll do a few soft wrinkles, as small as possible. If they got too intense, a simple smooth will be more than enough. As you see, I didn't do any deep lines. They're really soft. Okay, let's fix a bit the existing imperfections. For example, I got this one here. This tension between polygons is easier to smooth with the S-Polish tool. Okay, maybe some things here, like the knuckles. Let's fix them too. Done. Let's go to the bottom part. Look, hadn't smoothened this area. Down here, the process is the same as in the palm. First, we'll do these wrinkles, these splits. I mean, we have to invert somehow the orientation of these lines. They should go to the front with a lower subdivision and then just move. In here, we don't have to fill over and over, so we can use the move brush and just lift. Okay, from this view, we see the toes are a bit odd, like crooked. So let's improve those. And here, with a higher subdivision, the highest we have, we'll draw the faults on the phalanges. Damn standard. There's one. And And now with the other one. These are longer lines. We'll need a smaller brush to make some lines outside or in the borders. And only 2 to go. These shapes seem too lean, and they shouldn't be. A bit more straight. Maybe as here, as in here. With a thinner brush, we can make some random lines, not all in the same direction, so this part won't look so plain. You know, we won't even look under the character's feet, but it's good to have details in these areas. We're gonna make some thicker, deeper lines in here. And finally, we'll help this ankle a little. With a lower subdivision, lightly fix the shape. A little bit curving here. Done. Now our toes are not so plain. I mean, they don't look totally smooth. Maybe we could do a line or two around here, over the toes. A bit deeper as in the big toe, but not too much. In here, for example. Done. With this now we have the feet area. It's really easier since we knew the techniques from the hands, so it was a simpler task. I hope you enjoyed the video, and in the next one we begin to do final details to the body in general.